Hi, it's Ashik here. Welcome back to my channel. Today our topic is control account. In this lesson, I'll show you how to prepare a purchase ledger control account. So let's get started. Okay, look at the question here. Amira's financial year ends on 30 September. She buys and sells on both cash and credit terms and maintains a full set of accounting records. Control accounts are prepared at the end of each month. Okay, that means monthly she used to prepare this control account. Okay, then what is written? Amira provided the following information for September 2016. That means for the month of September, you need to prepare this control account. Okay. Then look at here, September 1st, there are two balances. Debit balance in purchase ledger, $93, and credit balance in purchase ledger, $4,210. At the end of the question, 1st October, what is written? Debit balance in purchase ledger, $68, and credit balance in purchase ledger is a question mark. That means you need to calculate the credit balance of purchase ledger. Okay, so here we have two balance BD. Yeah, in the beginning of the question there is written that debit balance in purchase ledger. That means don't forget the debit balance will come in the debit side and the credit balance will go in the credit side. Okay, so let us write balance first of all here. 2016 September 1st. So here balance BD, and here also 2016 September 1st balance BD. Okay, so what is the credit balance? 4,210. And what is the debit balance here? $93. Okay, so this is the way to write balance BD when you have two balances in the question. Okay, then the last two balances are the balance CDs. Okay, I'll show you at the end of the question. Okay, then what to write, what to include here? This is a purchase ledger control account. This account often called creditor ledger control account, or you can say total trade payable accounts. Okay, so creditor, trade payable, both terms are liability, yeah, for the business. So remember, when your liability is increasing, you need to record the transaction in the credit side. Okay, when your liability or a creditor will be decreasing, in this case you need to record in the debit side. Okay, so what items decrease the liability and what items increase the liability means the creditor or the trade payable. So look at here, credit purchase will increase the trade payable, interest charge will increase, even refund. Okay, these items will increase, so this item will be recorded in the credit side, and these are four items will decrease the trade payable. Okay, the creditor. So what are the items? Purchase returns, cash or bank, discount receipt, contra or set off. Contra and set off, these two terms are same. Sometimes you have contra, sometimes you will have set off. Okay, but same way you need to record. Okay, so let us have a look at the question. 30 September, what is written? Totals for the month, what are there? First one, credit purchase. Okay, 5,366. Okay, so what is the credit purchase? In the credit side. Okay, so go to the credit side and write September 30. So right here, credit purchase. Okay, and the amount is here 5,366. So let us write 5,366. Very good. So next one is cash purchase. Do not forget, cash purchase will never include in this control account. So you might be wondering then why this item is given here. Yeah, just to confuse you, just to check your understanding. Okay, so this item will not be here. Then check paid to credit supplier. Yes, supplier items will be here. So check paid means bank. Yeah, so when you paid money to the supplier, that means the trade payable will be decreased. Yeah, in this case you need to record in the debit side. Okay, so let us write here bank as you paid money by check. So September 30, and how much you paid to the supplier? It is 3,705. Okay, great. And what is next? Here is written that check received from the credit customer. Okay, customer related items will never include here because these items are related to the sales ledger control account. Okay, so these are actually related to the sales or trade receivable. So we are not gonna take this item. Okay, then discount allowed. Same discount allowed will go to the sales ledger control account. Okay, not here. Then discount received. Yes, discount received will come. Yeah, what is discount received? Here. So when you receive discount, your trade payable will be decreased. Yeah, in this case you have to record in the debit side. So let us write same date discount. So write 95. Okay, great. Next we have here returns to credit supplier. Yeah, that means it is a purchase return. So when you have purchase return, your trade payable will be decreased. Yeah, in this case you need to record in the debit side. So let us write purchase return. So write $197. Okay, great. Then next we have here interest charged by the supplier on overdue. Yes, interest charge will be included. So yes, when your supplier will charge any kinds of interest, your trade payable will be increased. That means your liability will be increased. In this case, you need to record in the credit side. Okay, so come here and write interest. So let us write 12. Great. What we have the next? The cash refund received from credit supplier. Yes, refund will be included. What is return refund? Here, if we have refund, your trade payable will be increased. In this case, you need to record in the credit side. So let us write here refund, or you can write cash or bank, whatever you like. Okay, what is your refund here? It is $150 in the question. How refund is made here? It is written in the cash. So let us write in the bracket cash. It will be more easier to understand. Okay. Then the last one, contra entry, $494. So remember, contra entry will be recorded always in the debit side of purchase ledger control account and in the credit side of sales ledger control account. Okay. So it is here in the debit written that means your trade payable will be decreasing. So let us write September 30 contra. It is here $494. Great, we recorded all the items here. Okay, the relevant items we recorded here. Now the balances, debit balances in purchase ledger now are $68. Okay, so debit balance, this is not opening balance. Okay, this is the closing balance. So opening debit balance we recorded in the debit side and credit balance we recorded in the credit side, the way it's written in the question. But when it is closing balance, in this case you cannot write debit balance in the debit side, you have to write opposite side. Okay, so debit balance will be recorded on the credit side. Yeah, so let us write closing balance means balance CD. Yeah, get it down. So it is 68, and here the credit balance in purchase ledger question mark, so that one we need to calculate. So here balance CD, okay, which is a question mark. So I repeat, credit balance we have to record in the debit side, and debit balance we have to record in the credit side when it is a closing balance. Okay, now how to balance it? First of all, you need to compare these two dollar columns. Check which column is greater in money. So if you compare this dollar column, the credit column will be greater in terms of money. So if you add this all, it will be $9,806. Okay, so this $9,806, you will take the opposite side, that means in the debit side. So $9,806. Okay, great. Now this all items you will subtract from this total. Okay, so if you subtract, then we will get the answer of this question here. Okay, so what is the answer here? It is 5,222. Okay, this is how you need to calculate the balance CD, okay, or closing balance of control account. So this is not done yet. We need to bring down the balance. So this balance, this credit balance will be here as a balance BD. So right here balance BD, it is 68, and date will be the first day of next month. That means next month will be October 1st. Okay, and this balance CD will be here in the opposite side, balance BD. So let us write here balance BD 5,222. Okay, date will be here October 1st. This is very easy, yeah. So I have some more videos on control account, so I'll link to this playlist in the I button. You can watch it. Okay, so this question is kind of easy, but sometimes you will be asked to calculate the credit purchase or purchase returns or discount receipt. So different times different requirement will be here in this question. So if you know these procedures, how to prepare, whatever question is given, you will be able to answer. Okay, and most important, please learn these items. Remember this item. There are no any more items. Okay, these are the items you need to record only in this purchase ledger control account. Okay, so this is all about today's lesson. I hope you understood and enjoyed this lesson. Please subscribe my channel for more new videos and share this lesson with your friend. I'll see you soon with another video. Until then, bye and take care.